Go!
So you want to steer.
I don't know, we just went. And then we ran off and we biked them off.
That's good. So what